Hello everyone, welcome back to my new video. Today we are going to learn about the Linux command. In the lastly we have talked about the overview of the Linux, how to install operating system and all those parts. Today we are going to use one cloud platform as a AWS, and on the top of it I have launched one EC2 instance as the operating system, and I am using Amazon Linux over here. Okay, so coming back to the practical part, we are starting with quick demos. So if you want to check which user we are, so you can just write pwd. So enter, we are the home and the EC2 user. Okay, we are into the EC2 user, and if you want to check who am I, like who pwd generally tells you the current working directory, in which current working directory you are. And if you want to check who am I, like which user I am, I'm the EC2 user, I'm logging as the EC2 user. But generally what's happened, if you want to install something into the EC2 user, like suppose I want to install, there is a command to install anything, that is yum. We'll discuss about this thing in the future. And if you want to install something, yum install vpc, this command has to be run with supervisor privileges under root. Okay, so here what's happened in the Linux users are, we have root user, that is unlimited power, and not a root user, we have limited power. Okay, so right now I am only the limited user. Okay, like we are the non-root persons. Let me quickly write for you. First of all, there is a root user, that is with unlimited power, like administrative person who can do everything, and one are users. Okay, non-root user, this have only the limited power to run the limited command. So right now we are logging only as a user. You can check over here like we are the EC2 user, or you can say Tom, Jack, these are all the user. We are not logging as through the root user. That's why they have told they need a super user privilege. So as a non-root user we can't install software or add user. So right now, so if this things is one of the there, like if we are root user, then we can install and do everything. So coming to the second point, if you want to find the location of which like any location of any of the program, so there's a command like which Firefox, like from where it come, like command to find the location part. So this is the location where you find the which no Firefox in this. And if you want to find any of the location of any particular file, so you can use the which command, so it just helps in finding the location of any program. And if you want to change the directory, so right now I just want to go into this particular directory, so there is a command change directory, cd /usr/bin. So as we enter, right now we are into the bin. How we'll get to know, same as a pwd command, it shows the current working directory. Before we was in the home /EC2 user, now we are into the /usr/bin. Okay, so if you want to check what all those things in this directory have, so this is the command ls. So it shows you all the files and the folders what it contain into this particular usr/bin file. Okay, then you can check over here this all the things we have. These are the systems, these are the all configurations, operating systems files we have, and it's all the location of a program where it contains. So if you want to like open one of the any of the program, suppose let me quickly open look. Okay, so if you want to open, there is a command to open gedit. Okay, gedit is nothing but an editor, like notepad is an editor. Here in the Linux we have gedit as a editor. Just open this. Gedit doesn't so let me quickly install or let me do one thing, let me quickly do cat. Okay, cat do nothing, just it will show us the data, what all this data the program file where. So this is the data written in the some of the languages, and it's doing something, some programming for us. Okay, this is the thing. It's not human understandable, like if the person who has only created can only understand the sequence and what all the things they have been written over here. So again right now what I'm doing, I'm just going to the with cd, let me do ls. We don't have any directory. Again we are back into the ec2/home user. Okay, so command, if you want to check command who has logged in, so you can same who am I, with the who am I you can check with the command. And after going this part, if you want to add any certain users, okay, um, right now what we have done about the changing the directory, coming back to the directory, who am I, and let me quickly show you with the command. Okay, what all those things we have talked about here. We have talked about a gedit as a command. Gedit is nothing but a editor. Okay, then we have talked about the ls is nothing but and listing all the directories what we have. Then who am I, tells you which person who are right now, which person accessing this, and pwd shows us the current working directory, in which current working directory we are. So and yum is nothing but to install any software. We generally use yum install VLC part. Then coming back to these two parts, we have talk about the root users and to the about the root user, like means unlimited power. We are going to see about upcoming more videos on this part, and this users how what all those limited powers and what all the things been work over here. So alright guys, thank you so much for watching my video. If you have any quick query, you can ask me in the comment section, and if you like the video, please share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching my video.